Hello everyone. Now I will going to take one of the example, kind of a soap dispenser. So soap dispenser by using, I'm not going to, the soap dispenser will be a straightforward or cylindrical shape, but I will focus on the making some pattern by using these one and also apply some polar patterns to make it a good interactive design. So let me start with the making the base of the dispenser first. So let me create a one base of the dispenser, specify the extrude thickness. So let me take it 170 is fine. Okay. Now here I am going to draw a one kind of a cut pattern over the complete periphery, over the circumferential portion of that particular cylindrical part. Here I want to create a one something sketch over the surface of this. So I can also use, here you can have an option tangent plane. Okay. This one I am going to use. When I click on the outer surface, it will create a tangent plane basically to that particular cylindrical surface. Here I can also define the angle or something at what angle I want, but I did not need it. I need it at a 0 degree. Now go to this, create a sketch. So here I will draw a one, I will use a one loft feature to create. So let me define the dimension. Let make it 10, 10. Distance from this also 10 and just move it in the middle. Finish the sketch. I have defined one sketch. I need to also define one more sketch. Okay, by mistake it's selected. Now I need to define one more say sketch, but add some inside of that. Let me take a distance of 2 mm only. Now on this plane, I will draw a one sketch. I will use the slice option for the better visibility. Create a circle, a very small circle. Let's take it 0.2 dia, like a dot or something. Okay, so I'm using what? Here I will using a loft to cut that shape. I will select the second feature and use a cut option to create a feature like this. Okay, now I will create the multiple copies. How I can do that? Go to the rectangular pattern, select the feature. This is the feature we have. Select the axis. Okay, about this axis I want multiple copies. So here we have the option. I have released the 10 mm from the top to the center. Total is 170. So I can do, okay, here in the another axis, I only need one copy because I only want to work in single direction. Okay, so 150 is fine. And how much copy I need? Let's make it 15. Okay, let's make it 30. Yeah, 13 will be a good number. Okay, so I have these copies. Now I want these multiple copies around the axis. So I will use what? Go to the circular pattern. So here I need to select the feature, select this one, press Ctrl, select the extruded part also, specify the axis. From the origin, I can select the axis. About y-axis, I need the multiple copies. Now, after that, I need how many copies are need required? Let make it 30. Yeah, 30 will be a good number. Click on OK. So make sure that while doing this, maybe sometime your system will be hang, but now it will be done properly. So this is, we have some pattern shape like this. Okay. Now I just make it and complete this. Let make it little more interactive from the top and bottom. Make it fine. Now at the top, can I complete that? So this is we have a dispenser. This is we can say as a knob. Okay. Now I can complete that by applying another nozzle. Let me create a nozzle. Okay, that is finish the sketch. Extrude it. Nozzle is there. Fine. Apply the fillet at the top. Make it 2. Make it 5. Yeah. Nozzle will be like a small hole we can create. Again, I can use the tangent option, or I can directly select the this mid of the plane and create a hole. We can create a hole also, and we can also, yeah, I am doing again, create a hole like this, and also make a, we can also make it a nozzle also, right? Can we apply some taperness? Yeah, -2 will give a good taperness, right? Yeah, it looks good. Huh, yeah. We can also, I say that this is, we have a knob when I open it and fill the soap inside. Okay. Can we make it little more interactive? Yeah, I will just apply, make it 5. Yeah. So knob have some kind of some roughness or some texture type on the top, on the say periphery. So can we create like something like this? Make a cut over there. So you will have extrude, select the by using control option, press all the thing and cut it at the edge. Okay. Can we apply some fillet? Just select the outer, it will take it a complete one. Make a fillet of 2. Now, okay, that will work. So now I can do the same pattern, circular pattern for this fillet and this feature. Now you can see I selected from the timeline. Sometimes it create a chaos, so you can also select it from the timeline. Now here I need 6, or I can make it 8 or 10 also. Yeah. So this is we uh, can say that we have a complete dispenser shape like this. Okay, a soap dispenser or something. Okay. Some more fugitive you can create it from your own and try with these both the feature for this week, loft and the pattern feature. Thank you very much. See you in the next week.